was a single mother, I carried it alone. Worked through the nights just to keep food at home. Bills on the table, stress in my mind, but I held on strong. For you, my child, I watched you studying when the world was asleep. Tired little eyes, but your dreams ran deep. Every sacrifice I made it with love. You were my reason, my blessing from above.
Now the day is here and I can't explain how my heart feels joy and pain the same. I'm proud of you, baby, I'm scared too, but I'm letting you fly.
Because your heart split into one half, sailing with my daughter toward Shuva's bright view. The other half stays rooted in Vanuatu's ground as my tears fall down when the ship pulls out.
The ship sails to Shuva
with my whole world on board, and I walk back alone from Nabualu jetty to the shore. Stay humble and believe in God always. Never forget where your journey started from in all your days.
Shuva lights are shining, new life in your hands, new friends, new lessons, new future plans. But remember the village, remember the way where we came from, where we used to pray.
I didn't have a partner to share the load, just faith in my heart and the love on the road. I raised you with courage, with tears and with pain, so you could rise higher and break every chain.
Now the house is quiet, your room feels cold, but your dreams are something I'll never hold back from.
I'll miss your laughter, I'll miss your voice, but I'll stand behind you, I'll support your choice. It's a heart split into one half, sailing with my daughter toward Shuva's bright view. The other half stays rooted in Vanuatu's ground as my tears fall down when the ship pulls out.
The ship sails toward Shuva with my whole world on board, and I walk back alone from Nabualu jetty to the shore.
Stay humble and believe in God always. Never forget where your journey started from in all your days.
God, please guide her, keep her safe.
When the world gets heavy, give her strength and grace.
Let her remember every struggle we survived,
and every late night where we kept hope alive.
If success finds you, don't change your heart.
Don't forget the place where your story starts.
Study hard, my girl, keep doing your best.
And when you feel tired, let your faith do the rest.
It's a heart split in two,
one half flying
with my daughter toward Shuva's
bright view. The other half stays rooted in Vanuatu's ground, still smiling through tears as the ship sails out.
Walking back along Nabualu jetty, I cry and I smile, because your future is worth every sacrifice. Smile, stay humble and believe in God always. Never forget where your journey started from, always.
Go chase your dreams, my daughter.